Question 9, right, actually tests a bit of your conceptual understanding. Do you know as temperature increase, what happens to the Gibbs free energy? Okay, so you have two equations, right? Reaction 1 here, reaction 2 here. Which Englingham diagram correctly correspond to reaction 1 and 2? So how does the Gibbs free change for reaction 1? Remember, the formula is like this. Nice. When you look at the reaction, right, can you focus a little bit on the physical state, how it changes, and how you will expect delta S to be? Is it positive or negative? Think a little bit about this. Okay, this question is very good, thoughtful question. Right. Okay. Everyone, as you look at the question, right, come to a conclusion. You have about 2 minutes to attempt MCQs. So when you look at the question, you just ask yourself, okay, what is happening to the physical states? And what does that mean for my delta S? Okay, if my delta S is positive, right, as temperature is increasing, how would that affect my Gibbs free energy if delta S is a positive term versus delta S negative term? Negative, right? This second term becomes a positive term. So if temperature keep increasing, the positive term, what does it mean for the Gibbs free? Yes, as far as I know, right, I think this question, they didn't give us any data on delta H, right? Seems like they didn't tell us anything. So we only need to work from your delta S. Okay, so we try to conclude something. The answer for this question is A, but we need to look at, so what's the rationale behind choosing A? Okay, reaction 1, it is decreasing as temperature increase. Reaction 2 is increasing, becoming less spontaneous. Okay, so why is that so? Reaction 1, entropy is positive. Reaction 2 is negative, entropy. Delta S, positive, negative. Think about it, does it agree? Delta S is positive, negative. Okay, so from 1 gaseous moles to 2 gaseous moles. This one is from 1 mole gas to 0 moles of gas. Okay, so at least for delta S, I think we are on track. For reaction 1, right, this free energy will become more negative as temperature increase. Reaction 1. Okay, so if this is positive, right, this whole term will be negative. As temperature increase, what do you think happens to it? it becomes more negative. It becomes more negative. We do not know whether is it like a, what's the numerical value? We don't know because they never give to us. We just know that it becomes more negative. So for reaction 2, it will become more positive. Okay, reaction 2, it will become more positive. Because this term, this whole term is what? Negative, negative, it is positive. So if T is increasing, right, your minus T delta S term is also increasing. So it actually becomes more positive. You all understand the reasoning here? Isaac, does that tally with what you think? Oh, no. Okay. Renee, any difficulty? Okay, Elden, you can get this? Okay. So we didn't actually use delta H to solve this question. We're just assuming delta H is negative anyway.
Delta H is negative because you're combusting.
Oh yeah, this combustion rate. Okay, sort of. Okay, you can think about it that way. Okay,